Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. This video is going to be about how to install Oracle VM VirtualBox on Ubuntu Linux. Let's get started. First of all, let's open an internet browser and on the search engine, enter the keywords download VirtualBox for Linux. Then click on the first link that's appearing on the screen, which takes us to the downloads page. As you can see on the screen, the latest version of Oracle VirtualBox is 7.0.0 at the time of recording this video, and we can also see the download links for several distributions of Linux. As I am going to install the VirtualBox on Ubuntu 22.04, I need to click on it. If you are unsure which distribution and which version of Linux you are using, you can quickly check via the Linux bash terminal. For this, just open the bash terminal, then run the command cat /etc/os-release. As you can see on the terminal, my Linux distribution is Ubuntu. The version number is 22.04.1 LTS, which means the long-term support, and the version name is Jammy Jellyfish. Now that you know your Linux distribution and the version number, go back to the downloads page and select the correct distribution and version. Now select the location where you want to store the package. If you are prompted like this, the download begins. It takes a few minutes to download the package depending upon your internet speed. After the download is complete, let's go back to the terminal. Seize the current working directory to the location where the VirtualBox installation file is stored, which in my case is the downloads. If I run ls-al commands, we can see the installer file on the .dev extension. To run a file on the .dev extension, we use the dpkg command with -i option, which tells the dpkg to install the package and the file name. You can just type some initials and hit tab key for auto completion. We got the dpkg error. Requested operation requires super user privilege. That means we need to run the dpkg command with super user privilege in order to install a software package. So let's run the same command again, but with sudo in the beginning. The installation starts without any issue. Let's wait for some time until the installation process is complete. Okay, the installation of Oracle VM VirtualBox is complete now. To launch it, click on the application launcher icon. Enter the keyword virtual and click on the Oracle VM VirtualBox from the list. That's all. We can see the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager user interface using which we can create and manage virtual machines in our PC or server. Okay friends, this is how we can install the Oracle VM VirtualBox in a Linux system. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Till then, good day, goodbye.